Hey everyone, if you've been considering launching an online store or expanding your business, I've got an amazing deal for you with Shopify. Right now, you can get your first 3 months for just $1 per month. No code is needed. Simply click the link in the description and the discount will be applied automatically. This is the perfect chance to explore Shopify's powerful tools and bring your dream store to life. Whether you're managing products, selling worldwide, or offering digital goods and services, Shopify makes it simple to launch and grow your business. If you're currently in the free trial period, you can test Shopify with no upfront costs. Once the trial ends, this deal lets you continue for just $1 per month for 3 full months, making it one of the most affordable ways to start your e-commerce journey. Don't miss this opportunity to get started with one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms out there. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale up, this offer gives you everything you need to succeed. Click the link below to claim this deal and start building your online store today.